Hello friends, today we will learn about phonic sounds A to Z. These are alphabet. These are phonic sounds. These are words. A says apple. B says ball. C says cat. D says dog. E says egg. F says fish. G says goat. H says horse. I says ink pot. J says jug. K says kite. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says owl. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rat. S says sun. T says tub. U says umbrella. V says van. W says watch. X says X-ray. Y says yak. Z says zoo. Thanks for watching.